This is my kitchen table. As you can see, it's perfectly prepared for cooking of meals. And I had a recent tragedy because Michael Glickmans Knob fell off, and I've had to repair Michael Glickmans Knob. As you can see here, most people have normal doorknobs. In fact, their normal doorknob might look like this, but I've got a doorknob with Michael Glickmans Knob, you know. So fucking thing, the bar snapped, as you can see here, on this side. It snapped off, so I had to go out and buy a bar, drill through it. As you can see, not very successful on that side, but this side was better. So yeah, we're going to get Michael Glickmans Knob back on. And here you can see the repair has been fully finished. So now, anytime I want to get into this room, I can just yank on Michael Glickmans Knob. And you know, not many people can say that, you know. In order to get from room to room, they have to yank on Michael Glickmans Knob. But I can say that. That is the type of thing that I do. So thanks very much for watching.